Okay. Oh my goodness. Oh goodness. Okay. Okay. This is something. Hey Paula. Let me set this here too now. We should cut the whole thoroughfare from the front door to the back door, clean up the kitchen, the bathroom, and where does she spend a lot of time in everybody's TV room?
Yeah.
We'll give that for too, so she can be comfortable. Okay. Yeah, because you need a color thoroughfare here. You can't. This is very unhealthy, uninhabitable too, to be honest. But we can accommodate this. And will somebody? I'd be working with somebody here.
I'll be working with Linda.
Hey Linda, how you doing? Mm-hmm. You're the daughter?
Yeah.
I am.
Okay. That's fine. Okay. And
Fireman did that.
do what? And that's fine. Let me ask you this here, Linda.
Yeah.
Just out of curiosity and conversation, what would you like the end results to be?
Ooh. Yeah, sound like last.
What would you like?
I would like her to be able to just walk through the house.
Mm-hmm.
You know.
Yes. And in a comfortable place to sit down.
To
sit down. Yes. And this, yeah.
She only has basically 2 places to sit right now, and I can't even pull a chair out to sit.
Understandable. And let me say this here too now. Is there any way that we could just do a mass extraction? And what I mean by that is a lot of stuff here. Do you want us to be meticulous and go through every item by item? Are you going to be here like this? Because we could be forever going through there like that now. I just want to get your intake.
No, I'm going to.
Or we should. Let me make a long story short here. Maybe we should just go in there and let's get all the debris out, the newspapers, the trash.
Exactly.
Let's just do this right. We know that's obvious, okay? It's obvious to the naked eye, and clean the floor up and stuff like that. And then we could breathe a sign of relief. We'll clean the bathtub out, get all those empty containers out. All that's obvious. Lack of a better word, stuff, trash, and throw it. Just bag it up and dispose of it, okay?
Yeah, because it stops me from doing anything.
Well, the smartest organizer in the world could never get this organized unless he takes something out of here. You would just be rotating stuff, okay? So I'm just want to be honest with you. Okay, so I get the gist of what's here. I see what's going on here, and now what I need to know from here now is how we're gonna. Because if we come in here, we gotta have a game plan, and we just don't want to